Okay, you joined me into the last video in the FPS series, and down in the description you can find everything that is inside this asset. So all these folders you can download and try for yourself. So in here you have all of your options, you have your rules, you have players, you have the UI, you have the game mode, which for now is only free for all, you have the FPS controller, we have this particle system, and we have the whole entire game working fine. So this is the gameplay of the game that we've built over the previous episodes. I hope you liked it, I hope you can find a use for it, and thank you for watching. Enjoy. Okay, that's the game. You can download the full entire project down in the video description if you like it, obviously. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next videos.